finally got myself a new keyboard for the computer in the house. Let's see if it's any good. Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with an unboxing video. This is the Logitech G915 wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. LIGHTSPEED. Okay, this is the UK version, so basically I've got QWERTY up and I have a pound sign on number 3, all being well. Although I just say number 3 there and it has a hash thing. We've got the dollar, that's the American layout on there. I'm sure inside it'll be perfectly fine. LIGHTSPEED, don't know what that means. LIGHTSYNC, okay, we've got 16.8 million colours. Tactile, there are 3 different types of keyboard you can get for this. I wanted the tactile one, which is what we've got. So the box has usual Logitech stuff. I've got quite a few Logitech stuff around anyway. I've got a new headset came this year, which I didn't do an unboxing for, but it was actually quite a really good headset, which I got for my birthday. Actually, I think I might have done an unboxing for that, I'm not sure. But if I missed it, then so be it. So let's try and peel these off without damaging the box, because I like to be able to keep the box in case I need to display it, but that's fine. 30 hours worth of battery on here. I wanted this for one simple reason. I don't have to change the batteries. I've had a wireless keyboard before and it's been okay, pretty good to use, but batteries, at least with this being rechargeable, I don't have to waste batteries, and that's only a good thing. Shall we say environmental thing? Yeah. Ralphie goes environmentally friendly. Not like I haven't been in the past, recycling the computers. So, LIGHTSPEED wireless, tactile, yeah. ALMG, incredibly strong and durable aluminium magnesium alloy, allows a minimum. Yeah, okay, fine, let's have a look at the blooming thing, shall we? So, come on, out you come, she's coming by the way. And, ooh, me like that. So inside we've got it in plastic. You have this roller wheel up there, which I wasn't entirely keen on, but I think it could be quite good, this. Inside the box, that is a very, very heavy keyboard. Actually, while I'm here, let's get my scales out of use, my packages, when I send them on eBay. Really old, crummy scales. I've got a kilos, and let's see how much this actually weighs, with it not being on anything. Wow, it's over a kilo. Bloody hell. So let's go for pounds, 2 pounds and 3 1/4 ounce. It's quite actually a heavy keyboard. That's quite weird. So yeah, come to that in a second then. So let's have a look. What's inside here? We have got the dongle. Now I have a dongle for my wireless headset. I was hoping that maybe I could use the same one. It would connect to multiple things on Bluetooth. I don't know. Oh, okay. What? Oh. So. Oh, okay, that will go straight to my PC, no problem at all. It looks like it's just a standard USB, doesn't seem to be anything like a 3 or anything. Is that a button on the front? No, it looks like it could be a button on the front, but it doesn't press. So that looks like an adapter between the USB and a USB micro, which I'm guessing that is a USB micro cable, in case you ever wanted to get it wired. Oh no, okay, yeah, it is. Why would you want to get that wired? Okay, maybe I'll look at instructions. So I could have this as a wireless keyboard. It will be standard wireless charging there. I use magnetic connectors on my equipment anyway, so that's probably just going to be absolutely wasted on me. That cable I can use for something else. Looks like a really nice cable, that as well. So I will be using that, and I don't want to lose that. Gaming keyboard in the box. I don't think there's anything else below here. Just cardboard and packaging. We've got as usual. Verified, it's got that much for the batteries. Yep, we have 1, put that inside there. 2, put the cable in. 3, plug it to computer. Okay, so you need that to start with then. 4, press the button. 5, press that, and then off you go. So it's wireless or it's wired. 1, press Bluetooth. 2, Got your Bluetooth equipment. 3, do that. So it's in case you want either then. Okay. Sticker, big G for no reason. And it looks like the usual health and safety gubbins. Sure, you read through it. Battery warning. Improperly replaced. No, I'm not reading that. Come on. It's just a standard warning. Yes, we know not everything in this world is perfect. Things break. On with that. So it's kind of, it's not minimal packaging, but it's certainly a lot better to recycle. A little bit of plastic and all the gubbins on here. Good Lord, that is feels cold, to be honest. So we have the power. Oh, hello, that's come on already. Turn that off. We get some lighting sorted in here. Right, so let's turn that back on again. Pretty, very pretty. So it's wanting the wireless. That's, oh, they're actually rubber keys. Oh, okay. Right, so without looking through the instructions and without playing too much, the memory 1 gives a nice rainbow effect across everything, which I really like. Memory 2 lights up in blue. That change again? No, that's still blue. That's going to be annoying when you're playing games and you think, oh, missed it. Ah, there it is. Memory 3 changes colours, all of the colours. Memory 4 doesn't. Is that memory 8? What? Or MR? That's probably for programming. I'll just start the wireless, Bluetooth, joystick, game mode, the brightness to turn the brightness down. So if I'm stuck on number 1, turn the brightness down to off. Bright, okay, dim, dim, off. That's actually not a bad keyboard. It's not clicky. I didn't want it clicky. I wanted it so I could feel there's actually contact on the keyboard, so I can use keyboard as well. If you can see right there, which I don't think you can, this is the UK variant, which is 3 with the pound symbol right there. So this is a standard UK keyboard. Numpad as well, which is quite nice. This is, yeah, this is really, really nice. What is in, turn that off, so I'm not paired with anything. 2 feet on the back of here for each side. So one for quite a large part there. I think the 4 degree, so it's only got a small raise there. So that's not bad at all, having 2 sets. And they are built, not flush, but you've got these rubber feet when it's on your desk. Oh, these legs are actually lower than. And that comes out, you've got your rubber leg as well on there. So that'll stop that sliding. Does this thing slide off? This looks like it should slide off. It'd be strange if it did. It just looks like it's a compartment for something. So, all we do is pair this up to a PC, the G915, which I assume then, let's put this in my PC here, which is a lot less, it's not as good as a PC as what's in the house. So bear with me 1 second, I need to unplug the old one, which is also, it's also a Logitech, which is quite strange. Bear with me a second, I'm getting there, I'm trying to plug it in. There we go, right, that's plugged in. The computer should show, right, and turn on, okay. So is it wireless or is it Bluetoothed? Oh, hold on. I think we're already in. I think that's as much pairing as you need. Yeah, 4. Yeah, that's it. Done. Sorted. To basically plug it in. That's 4. It is paired up with the dongle. Done. That's as much setting up as I need. Roller wheel up there. That's doing the volume as I'm seeing on the computer. It is rather big, but it does feel quite solid. I prefer a smaller one maybe, but I'm sure I could use that with scroll up, print screen, numlock. Is that shown on screen? No, it's not. That, I'm assuming that's game mode, which, yeah, that's really is pretty good. How do I change the colours on that? There has to be something with that. Oh, so I'm going to have to turn the volume way up. So the battery will tell me there, cap locks will show me there. Numlock doesn't, which is kind of strange. You thought there would be a light for that. But no, this is incredibly thin. So, done. That is as simple as it needs to, well, difficult as it needs to be. Plug in with the dongle and you're sorted. Happy. Very happy times. So, with that in mind, I'm surprised. I'm very, very surprised. But that's what you get in here and set up. Just plug it in. As simple as that. I assume that there will be an app that you can download to do other options. At the minute, this is all I need. So, I'm fine. Perfectly fine. Loving the colour. Rolling across. Brilliant. So, thought there'd be a longer video than that, but that is so simple to set up. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please follow me on social media, and I'll see you in another video. Help out the channel if you want. The description below has all your links. So I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.